Hello there, we will unbox 3-in-1 ultrasonic cavitation face beauty machine which I purchased from Fordel. It's 300 real price as of writing. The box looks cheap and the brand it's skincare option. So let's open up. So this is the machine. It's just covered by a simple plastic. You can see the power on the red light, the 3 modes, and on the side it's the level of the EMS, and the other side is you can select from massage, slimming. So it's power, the EMS, infrared, and ultrasonic. So this is on the level of the slimming, everything. And this is for the EMS. It has 4 pieces, two pairs, cord for EMS and for the power outlet. It's a US adapter. The EMS or electrical muscle stimulation mode causes the muscles to work consistently, which results in faster burning calories. The infrared mode delivers infrared light into body cells in the form of heat, which increases blood circulation and burns fat. The sonic mode basically enhances skin elasticity, firming, and tightening. The sonic mode has 2 levels, the low and high. So you can use it together with the infrared. On top of that, this machine also promotes good blood circulation and increased metabolism. And it comes with manual instructions and the important notice and safety precautions, so be sure to read this. The important note is to use gel or moisturizer or serum to your skin before using the machine. Thank you for watching, and I'll be doing a review on this product after a couple of weeks.